Okay, so I don't know if you can see this or not. This is the express lane that they have opened, and it's telling you how much it is. On some of them, it will tell you how much it is. Right now, of course, I'm in express lane and I'm going to get out of it, but it's 50 cents right now, and that's to take you over the bridge and to the Highway 17, which is where the base is, also Orange Park area. So some will tell you the price and some won't, and that's where the express lane begins. Of course, I'm not going to get in it. It doesn't go over the bridge, which is a very big problem, because you really need to go over the bridge to stay out of the congestion. And I'm just looking at it to see if it is like the express lanes in Miami. The ones further south in the Miami area and surrounding areas usually tell you there's an express lane, and the way they were getting away with the toll was to say that it was part of the turnpike, which it would eventually lead you to the turnpike, but it was miles and miles before you even got to the exit that would allow you to access the turnpike. But that's what they did to get the tolls. And there's another entrance into it. So you have a couple of entrances that you can access it. I do have a sun pass. I'm just not paying the toll. There's no need for it, especially as you can see, there's not much traffic this time. But there are times of day when it gets extremely congested. Here, this is the 9A part of the parkway. Sorry about that. It's trying to access my speed for the cruise control. They're getting a little congested up here, and it's just a couple of big trucks. It's not really a lot of traffic. There's still 3 lanes going this way, and there are 2 express lanes over there. And all it does, the express lanes do, is allow you to bypass some of the congested areas. Now, I know in Virginia, also in South Florida, they also have HOV lanes, which are high occupancy vehicles. Usually, I know Virginia has a lot of them, 464, 564 area, and those get extremely congested going to and from the base. And now the express lane ends. So they have to start merging over here. Now you can see we have all 5 lanes, which they're going to go down to the 3 lanes. And I'm coming all the way over because we're near the bridge, the Buckman Bridge, which these 2 lanes will take me to Roosevelt Boulevard, Highway 17, and give me access to NAS. If I want to go to Orange Park, all I need to do is just keep going on this beltway, and it will take me right into Orange Park area, which is only about 2 more exits down from where I'm getting off at. So as you can see, we're going over the bridge, and it got extremely humid going over the bridge, so I need to defrost. Not quite halfway over it yet, but that's what happens. In Florida, you can expect humidity. There is a lot of it. So the other side is getting quite heavy. The traffic is getting quite heavy on the other side. I'm not sure if you can see the headlights or the traffic over there. Much heavier than this side. Most of the roads lead to what appears to be downtown, but that's the most congested area. And there is traffic on this side, as you can see by the red lights from the vehicles, but the headlights from the vehicles on that side far outnumber the ones on this side. Traffic is very heavy going over there, and I can't remember, I just did make it, the traffic is staggered somewhat over here for the people going to the base. So I do know from 3 o'clock to about 6, the traffic is not so heavy. But on these 2 lanes over here, they will get extremely heavy between that 5 o'clock and 6 o'clock time frame. Here it's almost 7. And it will get, I'm pretty sure we'll see, it'll get kind of backed up over there. But really, I just wanted to see flowing across the bridge with the express lanes. That's how it works. Not too bad, but it's not congested right now either. I wouldn't try this if it was congested. Thank you for joining me. Until next time.